how to use your mind and change your life. Guided meditation, sense of I as another person, day 16. Now, let's meditate on the other person's sense of self. Please sit comfortably. Allow yourself to relax and focus on your body. Turn off any devices that might distract you. Straighten your back. Keep your head and spine straight. Please place your hands in your lap, palms facing the sky. Close your eyes and follow my voice. First, relax your heels, your toes. Then, relax your legs, knees, all your legs. Then, relax your pelvis, genitals, lower abdomen, stomach. Then, relax your chest, back, shoulders, shoulder blades, next, relax your neck, head, ears, eyes, forehead, and crown. The whole body is completely relaxed. You are here and now. Take a deep breath in and out. Repeat 3 times. Say it out loud. I am. I am. I recognize the existence of my own self. I recognize the existence of my own self. My hearing, speech, thinking, are renewed, healed. My hearing, speech, thinking are renewed, healed. I begin to hear well, speak well, think well. I begin to hear well, speak well, think well. I can hear my inner self. I can hear my inner self. I can hear the inner self of another person. I can hear the inner self of another person. Every time when I communicate with other people, our communication becomes simple and easy. Every time when I communicate with other people, our communication becomes simple and easy. My life is changing. I love my life. My life is changing. I love my life. it should be taken into account that the sense of self is connected with the sense of touch. Through the sense of touch, one experiences oneself in the body as a separate being, separate from the world. Through the sense of the self of another, one can experience oneself as a spiritual being who meets another spiritual being. Sometimes in life there are such encounters after which a person's destiny and his or her view of the world change. Feeling the self of another helps me to develop in spirit myself. Man has the self through the sacrifice of the spirits of the form. The self is the youngest member in man's being. The self is constantly in the process of development. After death, man reviews his past life and sees what he has done on earth, how far he has succeeded in finding a form for the spiritual content, in transforming matter, in making the spiritual tangible in material forms. It is impossible to touch the self of another on earth, but it is possible to touch the action of the self of another, his deeds.